Hey, this is Joel with Inflatable Office. I wanted to show you guys how to make a custom report. And we'll use sales tax as an example because that's a common one people need. So if you go over here to settings and then hit reports, I already set one up here. I called it sales tax by county. So you'll want to set one up probably similar to this. So you can use county and you'll want to group and sort by county, add payment amount, payment less tax. So that would be the portion, the total payments the customers have made during that date period. This would be the amount excluding any part of it that goes to the tax, the non-taxable portion of the total, the taxable portion, the tax rate, and then the payment sales tax. So you'll just simply type them in here and click on them when you want to add them. Once you've done that, you can hit save. You can go back over to leads, and then you can access that report here in this drop down by going down to it, and then we'll see here it's grouped them all by these different counties. You can see this is the amount, total amount paid. This is the amount without the tax amount going. And then you can see here, this is the taxable portion of those payments. If you multiply that by the tax rate, this will be where we get the sales tax that's due. So you can set something up like that. And if you want to see more details, or not group it by county or something like that, you could. The other thing is oftentimes you need to show just last month's. So you could run the report and then you could say, well, let's look at just the payment dates being last month and do it that way. If you are always running the same filter like that on there, what you can do is you can set that up as a filter in here. Tax last month, or we'll call it payment last month. We'll use payment date last month, add. Okay, I don't actually have any, so for my example here, maybe we'll use a bigger one. Okay, so just for this example, so we have some data here. And then if you apply it to that report, it will always use that filter with it. So now when I go back to this, let's clear this out. And then if we run that report we created, it'll auto apply that filter to it as well. So that's an example of how to set up a custom report and filter with it. And so from here, you can print it or you can export. And so, yeah, anything else you want to see with it or change, you can. You could also put this into a dashboard if you wanted to. So there's lots of flexibility on what you can do with our reports and filtering. All right, thanks.